the Brave Parrot. Once upon a time, in a green forest, there lived a colourful parrot named Piku. Piku loved to talk and sing, but everyone teased him for being small. "You're just good for repeating words," the other animals said. Piku often felt sad, but he still believed he could do something important. One summer, a terrible fire broke out in the forest. Flames spread quickly, and all the animals ran in fear. Piku didn't want to leave his home behind. He flew to a river, dipped his wings in water, and shook the drops over the fire. He kept doing this again and again. The animals laughed. "You're too small. You can't stop the fire." But Piku didn't give up. Seeing his courage, other birds joined in. Then elephants, deer, and even tiny rabbits helped. Together, they put out the fire and saved the forest. The animals cheered for Piku. The little parrot had shown them that courage and determination, no matter how small, can inspire great change. Moral of the story: even the smallest effort can make a big difference when done with courage.